Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about what if you got selected in IIM Jammu or IIM Bodh Gaya, should you take it or not? Let's see some factors through which we can analyze whether they are good colleges or not. Firstly, let's talk about the curriculum of both the colleges. So IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya दोनों में ही BBA is conducted semester wise. Bodh Gaya provides exit option after 3 years, but in the case of IIM Jammu, you get the exit option after first year, second year as well as after third year. So basically in the case of IIM Jammu, you can exit whenever you want. If you exit after first year, you will be awarded with certificate in the basics of management, and in second year advanced certificate in management. In third year you will be awarded with BBA degree. अब कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स के साथ ट्रिप जाना किसको पसंद नहीं, एंड IIM जम्मू इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग इट. फर्स्ट ईयर के एंड में IIM जम्मू प्रोवाइड ट्रिप टू लद्दाख फॉर बूट कैंप एंड यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनी एडिशनल कॉस्ट फॉर इट. सेकेंड ईयर के एंड में यू कैन गो फॉर अ सोशल और कॉर्पोरेट इंटर्नशिप एंड दैट्स नॉट इट. इन द थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स आर encouraged to participate in the international exchange program. Both Gaya में in the end of the second year, students are supposed to go for a rural or social immersion in internship. Now let's talk about the fees of IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya. So Bodh Gaya does not reveal its fees structure. It only releases it to the student who confirms their admission over there. But we do have IIM Jammu fee structure. So it is 5.6 lakh for first year and second year and 5.7 lakh for third year. This includes your tuition fees and other academic expenses. So for BBA in IIM Jammu, it will cost you around 16.8 lakhs. Now let's discuss the top priority for many of you when choosing college, and that is placements. सिंस IIM जम्मू एंड बोध गया का IPM प्रोग्राम काफ़ी लेट स्टार्ट हुआ, तो इनके जो फर्स्ट बैच है IPM के वो 25-26 में फाइनल प्लेसमेंट के लिए बैठेंगे. बट वी कैन एग्जामाइन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर MBA प्लेसमेंट एंड मेक अ गैस कि कितना अमाउंट जाने वाला है. सो फॉर IIM जम्मू हाईएस्ट CTC कुड गो अप टू 64 lakh with an average CTC of 16.5 lakh and median CTC to be around 15.25 LPA. On the other hand, for IIM Bodh Gaya, the highest CTC could go up to 48.5 LPA with an average CTC of 15 LPA and median CTC to be 16 LPA. But here the question is it worth it? So I would say definitely. See, if you are getting IIM Indore, Ranchi, then you should obviously go for that. But if you are getting Nalsa, Nirma and even Tapmi, then you should go for IIM Jammu or IIM Bodh Gaya. At the end, the choice depends on which college you are able to crack. So prepare well and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.